Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at the brand new 2025 Catalina 283 EPIC travel trailer. This thing is a one bedroom, one slide out couples coach with a back porch. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this cool RV and show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new 2025 Catalina 283 EPIC travel trailer. As you seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a front bedroom, rear living room, couples coach RV with one slide out. Let's start back here in this section of the living room and then we'll kind of work our way forward. So back here, similar to their larger, more almost destination style loft trailer, it has these glass windows slash door set up on the back with pull across curtains on the area behind your power theater seat right there, a pull across curtain that goes across the back, and then it has a pull down screen slash shade to block off this area over here. So right up here is actually a nice projector TV thing that shoots right on down to this screen area over here, allowing you to watch TV right here. Pretty cool setup. So hopefully wherever you're going to take this to, you're going to have a pretty nice view to back your RV up to and just really look out and enjoy the campground area. This was ordered with two ACs, so you have one of the two GE air conditioners right up here. There are also a few JBL speakers up in the ceiling as well, and a couple JBL speakers on the outside as well, with the JBL stereo located right up here on the side of your cabinet here. And you're going to have some controls here for the slide, the awning, some light switches, water heater, gas electric setup, Bluetooth connectivity, monitor panels and stuff here, digital thermostat for your AC and stuff there. And also the AC has a heat pump in it as well. So you have basically an electric heater and a propane furnace. So depending on the weather where you're at, you might be able to just knock the chill off with the electric heater and save on your propane bill. You have two nice little bar stools right here. Now down there is an electric box and also a propane leak detector down there. But little counter, little bar area right here. Now you'll have a lot of paperwork that comes with the Coachmen in your little packet here. You got a remote for your JBL stereo, a remote for your screen or your projector screen there. And then you have this little remote here for the awning light strip. That is a multicolor changing light strip on the Catalina. That's kind of neat. All linoleum floor. The slide over there, again, matching linoleum floor. You have a nice big U-shaped dinette. Now there's storage underneath of that as well. That will also go down and make into a bed. So if you do have the occasional grandkid or something that might come with you, they could crash out there as well. Now over here on these windows, you're going to have pull down pleated nightshades. So you have deep tint safety glass windows on the normal RV windows. And then on the big windows in the living room, those are like a mirrored tint on those. You'll see that a little better when we get outside. You have some storage underneath your kitchen sink area, 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. You have the GE oven, the GE microwave, GE hood range light and fan, and also the GE 12-volt refrigerator over here. So you kind of get the idea here. They like GE appliances, and that is what they are currently throwing into, I think, all but maybe one of their floor plans. Over here, you are going to have a pretty large pantry area right here. And then over here, you also have some more storage space. And they even put an electric outlet up there. The digital thermostat here for the second AC that was ordered on this one. Then from here, we're going to step into the bathroom area. So you have kind of a walk-through bath to get to your bedroom. So you got that corner radius shower with the glass enclosure, traditional RV sink and stuff there. Nice medicine cabinet. Skylight up above, vent fan up above as well. And over there is going to be your foot flush toilet. And there's a little bit of storage back in here as well. So you could stack you up some towels and linens in here. And then from there, you step into your bedroom area here. So you do have some overhead cabinet and hanging closet space here. And then there's also a little bit of shelf space back in there as well. And then obviously down below, you have your electric outlet, USB charger ports also. Entry exit door going in and out of your bedroom. The bed will raise up, so there is storage underneath of there as well. Over on this side, there's also TV hookups and stuff over here, so you could mount your smaller flat screen TV up here. A very cool new floor plan for the Catalina RV. All right, we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Catalina 283 EPIC travel trailer here. We're going to start here on the door side and work our way around. So first things up, we have kind of a silver and gray aluminum sided exterior. It is a wood studded constructed RV. You have a large power awning here with a multi-color changing LED light. There's a little remote control you see when we were inside to change the colors if you want. You have adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. There's a pretty good sized pass-through storage compartment area right here. And this unit was ordered with the solar option, and that is the 30 amp solar charge controller right there. You have the traditional black safety glass entry exit door here going in and out of your bedroom with the heavy duty More Ride entry step and the heavy duty More Ride grab handle there. The unit has two JBL speakers out here down low, so it'll be a little easier to hear than the ones up high. You have an electric outlet and cable outlet here. You have your water heater also located right here. Furnace exhaust out right here. Stove exhaust out up there by the window. You have aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. There is a gas line hookup down here as well, so you could set you up something here if you want. Spare tire mounted underneath the bottom. It does have an enclosed underbelly as well. This unit was ordered with the auto level jack system. So what that basically means to you, it's going to have two heavy duty electric jacks just behind the axles here that, along with the tongue jack, will auto level everything. And then it will drop down the front stabilizers, which are also electric, and help stabilize the front. So it is a 5-point system with the rear and front tongue jack doing the auto level for you. Pretty cool setup, very nice. Very rare to find on a travel trailer. You have the large glass windows and stuff on both sides, and also the big sliding glass door on the back here. You have the heavy entry door, or the heavy entry steps going in and out of your back porch area right here. You got a few porch lights up there, and there's also a speaker up there as well. It is prepped in the back here for a Furrion rear observation camera. That'll help you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road. On around to this side right here, you're going to have prepping in the top right up there for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a nice little feature you could buy and kind of throw in a storage compartment when you're not using it, but it just telescopes up, hooks up to there, allowing you to get up there and check your roof. Slide out here, again, electric slide. We're going to close that up here shortly, but that right there is also something to consider adding a slide out awning cover to as well. That rolls in and out with the slide room, helping to shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Now just real quick here, you can see in the picture popping up your roof. This one again was ordered with 2 ACs, also the solar panel up there, but you have things like your TV antenna, plumbing stack vents, skylights, all that type of stuff. You got to get up there from time to time and inspect your seams and your seals and make sure everything is maintained properly. Now right here is going to be where you have your dump tanks here. So you got hot and cold low point water drains down there. You also are going to have, again, gray and black tank dumps. You have a hot and cold outside utility shower right here, black tank flush, city water inlet, gravity fill fresh water inlet, and you have your cable inlet. And again, this was ordered with 50 amp electric service, and it is a detachable power cord. You can see you do have kind of a really nice bubbled out sloped front end here. Just the other side of the storage area here. The baggage doors are held up with little magnetic catches. Now right here you're going to have some pretty important informational stuff. So for example, this RV was built 7/19 of 24. Model number 283 EPIC. Gross vehicle weight, this is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, 8,905 pounds. This one, the way it was ordered, rolled off the assembly line at 7,468 pounds. Has an exterior length of 35 feet 6 inches. Tire size ST 225/75 R15 D range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. So you have a black smooth upper metal and then a lower black diamond plate metal here. There's a battery disconnect down here. You have room for 1 or maybe 2 batteries to go here depending on the size of the battery. 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator and the hard cover. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, and a breakaway cable. Right here, you're going to actually have the control for your auto level jack system. Now you can manually do this as well, but you have this screen here and some instructions here to kind of tell you how to auto level it also. But overall, a very cool new floor plan for the Coachmen Catalina lineup. We're going to step back inside here. I want to show you what it looks like all closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now back up inside the new 2025 Catalina 283 EPIC travel trailer here. And I just want to show you real quick what it looks like all closed up. So basically when you are ready to close things up, very important to make sure your floor is clean. You don't want any accidental dirt, rocks, pebbles, anything like that that might get trapped between the slide floor and your linoleum and damage it. So definitely make sure your floor is clean. You're going to come right back here to your control panel. You got your slide in and out button right here. And basically what we're going to do is just hit the button to bring it in. This is a 12-volt powered rack and pinion style slide. So it's pretty quick and easy to run this thing in and out. Now it does come in pretty close to the counter and everything here, so there's a little room to squeeze through here and maybe get to your refrigerator and load some stuff. But overall, it's probably best to run it out if you have the room. However, again, I could really, if I wanted to, kind of squeeze through here and get over to my refrigerator and stuff. You can go through the front door to get into your bedroom and also your bathroom as well. The bathroom door there does open up, and a skinny person could probably squeeze through there, but larger folk are not going to make it through there without opening up the slide. But overall, pretty quick and easy to get the slide in and out, and it doesn't really affect the living room area, the back porch area kind of thing at all. So you're really just kind of squeezing in that middle section of the RV. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour of the brand new 2025 Catalina 283 EPIC. Thanks again.